Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, front license plate bracket, inside you'll find trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, compass. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.